Any event or celebration is incomplete without having anything sweet. Hello and welcome to AAFT 24/7. I am Aditi Joshi and the official GFFN has officially started, and right now I'm standing at the Strawberry Lane, one of the stalls at the GFFN. So hi guys, what are all your names? How are you all doing?
Hi, we're good. Let me introduce you to our team. So
Yes,
this
of
is
course.
Ridhima, Gauri, Ritesh, Richa, Shayan, and myself, Samriddhi.
Hi guys.
Yes.
So I see your stall is extremely beautiful and you are selling some delicious things here like
Yes.
waffles, milkshake, strawberries. So how did this idea come up?
So since the winters have almost approached and strawberry is an exotic fruit, winter season fruit specifically, so we decided that this is something that will attract all of the people a lot.
Yes.
And this is something that just it is very mouth watering.
Yes.
Even when you hear of it. So that is why we decided to go for strawberry, and we're all strawberry enthusiasts here. So yeah, so
Yes.
that was our plan.
So while I was standing at this stall, I saw a lot of people, their customers. I heard some great reviews.
Yes.
People were extremely happy with like your strawberries and all the delicious,
Yes.
delicious dishes
Yes.
you have created. So how did you choose these dishes?
So the idea was the same, that since the winters are here, we would like to go for something that is a little makes you feel warm when you
Yes,
eat. It gives you that warmth. So strawberries and chocolate specifically was something that we wanted to go for because it is very winterish and very winter wonderland kinds of
Yes,
feeling.
yes, yes.
So that was the idea behind
That was
it.
the idea. Okay. And how are you distributing the responsibility amongst yourselves?
So Ridhima here is preparing the chocolate, which
Oh.
is being used both in the waffles and in the strawberries.
Looks very yum.
And we are preparing the strawberry shake here.
Okay.
So we've all divided our duties here. We're also managing finances at the same time
Yes,
and
yes,
doing
yes.
all of it very nicely.
Okay, yeah, I can see that the team is like in full work mode and you're
Yes.
doing an amazing job. I can see there are crushed strawberries,
Yes.
strawberries are cutting there, and the stalls look extremely beautiful. So how did this design come up, and who decided this? Who made it all? I would.
So Gauri is the one who designed all these posters.
Oh, wow.
Yes, and we decided on the theme. So once we decided upon the theme, we had an idea that we wanted to go for. So we wanted it to be in the same shade as that of strawberry.
Yes.
Yes, so that it resonates with our stall and resonates with the theme. So that was it.
And what about the pricing? Who decided the pricing and what
Pricings,
aspects?
we've all decided it together. We did not want it to be very expensive because the stall is situated in the college,
Yes,
and
exactly.
students are not willing to pay a lot.
Yes,
So
yes,
we
yes.
wanted to keep it very reasonable,
Student budget
but
friendly.
also at the same time it should not be a loss for us.
Yes,
So
exactly.
keeping both the things in mind.
It is
we
very
decided
difficult to
go
keep
for
the
that.
balance, and
Yes.
you are doing great. I must say your prices are really nice. Like the strawberry shake is for 70, waffles for 100, and the dipped strawberries for 130. The prices
Yes.
are great. And I would like to know that doing this work together with a team. So does that help you enhance teamwork, learn something new from this experience?
Yes, definitely. Increasing our coordination and synchronization, it helps a lot in that. And we're already a team, and we work together all the time for many
Oh,
different
wow.
things.
Oh, yeah.
So we
That's
are
great.
yes. So as a team, we do a lot of things. So this was one of our ideas that we should put up a stall this time
Yes.
and then work again as a team.
Okay, great.
Yes.
And I hope you're having an absolute blast doing
We're having
this.
a blast,
It's very important
totally.
to enjoy while
Yes,
you're
yes. So
doing
we're
it.
playing music for the vibe, we're enjoying ourselves.
And I see your stall is very busy, I must say.
Yes.
Not jinxing it though.
Yes.
Wishing you all the best. Your stall is doing absolutely great. So
Yes.
the fest has just started right
Yes.
now. A lot has to come.
Yes.
How are your sales doing until now, and what are you expecting out of it?
Great. Not going to quote any numbers, but we're doing great.
All the very best to
Thank
you
you.
and to your stall. Well, this is Aditi Joshi with video journalist Arohan Arya, and we were at the Strawberry Lane. The stall is a super hit, and you guys should must come and try out all their delicious chocolatey things that they have to offer to you.